Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi, welcome back to our channel, Just Carry On. This is day 26 of our Extreme Truck Camper Makeover. Today we have put 2 new sheets of plywood up and the ceiling is finished. Here is what the outside is looking like. We are going to have many storage compartments. Here's one of the bigger storage compartments. On the other side, there's this one. This one, and then another one. We have to put sheet metal over this board. Most of all the wood and insulation has now been put together in the bed area.
And there's a bed if I ever saw one.
And you can really see how big the bed area is now, as well as lots of headroom. We built the bed area to fit a double mattress. Only a couple more panels to go. I am now working on putting wood panel stickers on the inside of the door panel. It has a lot of dings in it, so I figured this would look the best. Got your legs. This is what the wood paneling looks like with the white. Now it has been completed.
Cheers to the camper.
Grabbed everything.
You're making the trailer wiggle.
I am not. You're wobbling.